What does informal settlement or basti actually mean in Indian cities? There are multiple perspectives linked to this. So the first meaning of a basti is where there are often non-property claims developed through occupancy and in an incremental manner. This is one of the very, very critical ways in which urbanization actually happens. Seen from the top, informal settlements uh, are called slums, and the shift in definitions that you see in these official definitions is also very interesting. So in 1956, with the Slum Clearance Act, the definition of a slum was densely crowded areas with unhygienic living conditions that are a threat to public health and morality. To more current definitions which are used in census as well as in policy, as any area that is declared as a slum by a competent authority is a slum. So this really, in some ways, gives us an insight into how today informality is actually becoming a dominant strategy of city making, not just by the powerless, but actually by the powerful. That it is becoming a part of state repertoire of flexibility from constitutional commitments, which are considered to be non flexible. In some ways, therefore, informal settlements are becoming frontiers of developmental warfare in cities for varied purposes. And therefore, this first understanding of non property claims versus this informal settlements as frontiers of developmental warfare is the overall context within which we also discuss the changing approach to informal settlements as well as the changing approach towards sanitation services.